Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? So, student, we are on chapter number 8, looking after our body. Okay, let's do the recapitulation. What we have studied in this chapter, which type of food means, what is your balanced diet, what is the importance of exercises in your body, why we should take a proper rest, cleanness, personal cleanness, that I explained you, and after that we are studying what safety we have to take. Okay, please take out your rough copy and pencil and note down the important points. Okay, student, let's do the recapitulation what we have studied in our previous video. What safety we have to take in the school? Do not stand on decks. By chance if you fell from the decks, then what's happened? Maybe your bones break, maybe of your hand or leg. So don't do this. Don't run around in the classroom. Some students have having a habit of running or taking a round of the class when no teacher in the class. Okay, don't do that. Don't fight. Don't hit each other. Is it clear? Be safe. And if someone is injured in the school, or if someone is fighting, you can inform your teacher. And what safety we have to take in the playground? Don't play near the bushes. Okay, see in the picture, this is the right position how to sit on the swing. And always wait for your turn. Okay, don't push anyone at the time of swinging. Don't push anyone and don't stand. The right position of swing is sit. That is the right position. No need to stand on it. By chance if you slip, you will fall down and hurt yourself. Safety in playground. Always follow the rules of the game, student. Always follow the rules of the game. Don't throw the tools of the game. See, this is a cricket game. It's a stump, ball, bat. So don't start making fight with these tools. Now after that we discuss some safety rules on the road. See, red light. Red light means you have to stop. See the position of the car. Red lights means you have to stop. Green, when the color of the light is green, this color, and the color of the light is green, it means you can go. And if the color of the light is yellow, it means you have to slow down. Okay, you have to slow down, because when on the signal it show a yellow line, people slow their vehicles, and after that the light which is a display on the signal, that is red. Yellow is for slow down, and after that the light shown on the signal is red to stop. Now see how to cross the road. If you are not crossing the road, then you will move from the footpath. Is it clear? If you are not crossing the road, then you will move from the footpath. But if you are crossing the road student, then you use zebra crossing. Okay, so how you come to know that this is the zebra crossing? It has one line, white, black. Okay, if such type of a thing you see on the road, it means this is a zebra crossing. One line is white, then black, white, black, white, black, in this manner. Okay, so these are the safety rules which we have studied in our previous video. Safety at school, playground, and what, road. Now let discuss what is first aid. What is first aid? So student, after an accident, the first help that an injured person gets is called the first aid. Okay, after an accident, the first help that an injured person gets is called first aid. So this is the definition of the first aid. एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ये एक्सीडेंट? एक्सीडेंट का मतलब यही नहीं है कि जरूरी नहीं है कि गाड़ी में एक्सीडेंट हो गया, कैसा भी छोटे एक्सीडेंट भी हो सकते हैं. हो सकता है यू आर प्लेइंग इन द ग्राउंड एंड यू फेल डाउन, और यू समवन हिट यू विद द बॉल. तो ऐसी छोटी मोटी अगर प्लेग्राउंड में भी चोटें लग जाती हैं जिससे आपकी स्किन पे स्क्रैच आ जाता है या स्किन कट जाती है, तो अगर इस तरह की कोई इंजरी होती है तो जो फर्स्ट हेल्प आपको दी जाती है, दैट इज बिफोर द डॉक्टर कम, दैट इज कॉल्ड द फर्स्ट एड. इज इट क्लियर? इट इज क्लियर. नाउ स्टूडेंट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एज ए चिल्ड्रन, इफ यू आर प्लेइंग इन द ग्राउंड एंड some of your friend is hurt, उसे चोट लग गई, some of your friend, then what you have to do? So the best thing is that you inform adult. Okay, you will inform to the adult person. If someone is hurt, you can inform to the adult person. Now see next picture. See this boy. See in this picture, this boy fell down and this boy is telling this thing to some adult one. And now let's see the second picture. See the second picture. Now this person is helping the boy. This person is helping the boy. He is helping the boy means what he is doing? He is giving him first aid. He is giving him first aid. Is it clear to all of you kids? So in the previous picture you see that one boy informed to some adult person that anyone has been fell in the ground. Now in the second picture you observe that this adult person is helping this boy, and what he is doing with him? He is giving him first aid. Observe the picture. Now let's move to the next picture. Now the question arises. What should be done when your friend is hurt? Okay, by chance if someone is playing in the ground and he fell down and he got a cut in the skin, then what you have to do? You have to firstly put some clear water, or you can say clean water, on his wound, the place where he hurt, and then take some antiseptic lotion. You have seen in every homes, I think you all have seen what? Dettol. Is it clear? In every home, I think you have seen Dettol. So first thing what you have to do is that clean it with the water, because there are lot of germs in our surrounding. कीटाणु, मैंने आप लोग को पहले भी बताया, ये कीटाणु इतने छोटे होते हैं दैट वी आर अनएबल टू सी देम विद आवर आइज. अगर इफ यू इग्नोर दिस, आप इग्नोर करते हो, चलो कुछ बच्चे क्या होते हैं, छोटी मोटी चोट होती है, दे इग्नोर इट एंड दे स्टार्ट प्लेइंग, दे इग्नोर इट एंड दे स्टार्ट प्लेइंग. बट नो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज नॉट राइट. Don't ignore these types of wound, because if the germs attack on these wounds, then what happen? After some time, you maybe suffer from this, and for many days maybe you are unable to play the game. Okay student, ऐसी कंडीशन भी हो सकती है. कई बार बच्चे इग्नोर करते हैं, रे थोड़ी सी चोट है, लेकिन जब ये जर्म्स अटैक कर देते हैं इस चोट पे, तो क्या होता है, ये चोट इतनी बढ़ जाती है कि कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि आपको कई दिन तक खेलने के लिए नहीं मिलता है. सो डोंट इग्नोर, ओके, डोंट इग्नोर दिस, क्योंकि हमारे सराउंडिंग्स में बहुत से जर्म्स हैं, ठीक है, जो हमें दिखते नहीं हैं. आई नो यू ऑल आर वेरी हैप्पी, you do lot of joy when you are playing, and no one want to sit in small injuries. I know this, because I think the most best time for you is your playing time. Even in the school, when any teacher is teaching in the class and next as the bell ring and the next period is games period, then see the faces of the kids. They are so happy, they are so happy with their games teacher. So I know you love, you enjoy, and that is the reason we never take precautions. Is it clear why these types of things happen? Because we'll lot of fun in our games time, and that is the reason we are ignoring small things, and due to this small ignorance, these types of condition arises. So enjoy yourself, but save yourself also. You are understanding, kids? Now let's see the next picture. See, what is this? This is first aid kit, okay, or you can say first aid box. This is first aid box. Is it clear? First aid box. So student, this type of box you will observe in, especially in all the homes where there are small kids, because your elders, means your parents, they are aware of all these things, that at the time of a playing you are not taking precautions. So they know that maybe this type of a things happen anytime. By chance it happens in the night, then an hospital is not very near. So before, if the injury is very serious, so before taking the person to a doctor, some help which we can give to the patient, that is your first aid. So student, even you are studying in a school, and if any sometime in any period, any time in the school, by chance you are hurt, then you will see that there is a first aid box in your school also, in your home also. Is it clear? If you have not seen, then once your school will be reopened, then ask your class teacher. Okay, sir, please show the first aid box and also tell what type of things are inside this first aid box. Is it clear? Next, now see student, let discuss what are the things inside the box. How to make a first aid box. See, see the picture. What is this? This is a Dettol. What is this? This is scissor, cotton, bandage, and Savlon antiseptic cream, which you can apply on the wound. So these small things are in the first aid box. Okay, because we can only give only small types of a help, and if the injury is very serious, then we will take the patient to the hospital. So it's very simple student. Ask your mother also or ask your parents also that after watching this video, please make one first aid box inside your house also. For only 4-5 things you can kept in your first aid box. Like sometime you fell down, you can wash that portion, hurt portion with your wound, or wash your wound with this antiseptic lotion, that is a Dettol. You can apply bandage. It, if the skin is cut deep, then you put this Savlon antiseptic cream and then cotton, and then you do the bandage of a, cover that portion with the bandage. Okay, so that the dust and dirt and germs cannot enter. Is it clear? Now next, see, many times this happens student, how this is also a condition which make injuries. This is also a condition, that is the reason I show you this picture. This is also a condition. See, in the picture you will observe what the two boys are doing, fighting. So don't do these types of thing. Fight does not give any solution student, it only gives injury. It happens many times in the schools. Small kids fell down, blood is coming from the hand or from the head, they are crying and just telling sir he pushed me. And if the teacher asks, then other student, what was the reply of the other kid? No sir, I have not pushed him, I have just touched him. So student, this is your body and you have to save others. Means as a teacher, as a parents, we can only guide you, but you have to follow these safety rules in you to keep yourself fit, healthy and safe. Is it clear student? I hope you understand the topic. Next student, so student, with the help of a different pictures, I explain you first aid. And now see, read some important points also which are given in your book also. What is first aid? The first aid is an first help given to the injured person before the doctor arrives. Or if one of your friend get hurt, you need to give first aid before an adult can reach you. So student, let understand some important points. How can you give first aid to your friend? So keep calm. Do not crowd around the injured person. ऐसे में क्या बेटा, हमें शांत रहना चाहिए, ठीक है. वी हैव टू इनकरेज आवर फ्रेंड सो डैट ही वॉज नॉट नर्वस. क्योंकि जब किसी को चोट लग जाती है ना बेटा, और बाई चांस चोट ज़्यादा लग गई, बहुत ब्लड आता है, तो बहुत से कुछ बच्चे बहुत स्ट्रांग होते हैं, और कुछ बच्चे उनको थोड़ी सी भी चोट लग जाती है ना, तो वो एकदम से डर जाते हैं और जोर जोर से शाउट करने लगते हैं, रोने लगते हैं. और अगर उनके अगल बगल बहुत से लोग खड़े हो जाते हैं तो उनको लगता है बहुत सीरियस मैटर है, हो सकता है अब मैं ना बचूं, सब मुझे घेर लिए हैं. तो ऐसे में वो नर्वस हो जाते हैं. सो बी साइलेंट एंड डोंट क्राउड अराउंड द इंजर्ड पर्सन. आपने कभी देखा है स्कूल में, कभी भी किसी बच्चे को चोट लगती है स्टाफ रूम में, उसके संग 20-20 बच्चे चले होते हैं, मैम मैम ब्लड आ रहा है इसके सर से. टीचर सबसे पहले क्या करता है, बोलता है ठीक है छोड़ दो इसको, आप सब जाओ, गो बैक टू योर क्लासेस, ऑल ऑफ यू गो बैक टू योर क्लासेस. क्योंकि आपके टीचर क्या है, आपके पेरेंट्स की तरह है, वो बड़े हैं, दे आर एडल्ट पर्सन, दे नो डैट. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट रिमूव द क्राउड फ्रॉम द इंजर्ड पर्सन. उन्हें पता है सबसे पहले क्राउड को हटा दो. और फिर बच्चा रोता है, वो कहते हैं नहीं चोट तो बहुत ही थोड़ी सी लगी है, तो जस्ट हल्की सी स्किन कटी है. तो फिर बच्चे को भी अंदर से लगता है, इनकरेज होता है बच्चा, उसकी जो वो नर्वस हो गया होता है वो उसे कम होती है, उसे लगता है नहीं ठीक है, माई टीचर इज सेइंग और माई पेरेंट्स, मेरे एल्डर्स ऐसा कह रहे हैं तो ठीक है, सब कुछ ठीक है, एंड दे ऑल विल हेल्प मी, and they all will help me in this situation. Is it clear student? Call a doctor or an adult. Okay, the same thing which I tell you, after first aid you can call your doctor, or if you are in the school you inform to your teacher, and if the injury is serious then teacher will inform to the or take the child to the hospital. First point discuss. Second, clean the wound with an antiseptic lotion. That already I have explained you by showing the picture. We know that student, there are lot of germs, छोटे छोटे कीटाणु होते हैं जो हमें दिखते नहीं हैं, ठीक है. एंड वो क्या कर सकते हैं, हमारी चोट को और ज़्यादा खराब कर सकते हैं अगर वो, क्योंकि वो जर्म्स हैं, ठीक है. सो सबसे पहले वी wash that portion with the antiseptic lotion. जैसे in I show in you the picture, what was the name of antiseptic lotion there? Dettol, which is in your I show you in the picture. Okay, so you can use any antiseptic lotion like Dettol. Now come injured friend, it means you encourage him. Make the injured person sit or lie down, keep the wounded part of the body raised. Okay, so see, as shown in the picture, this boy is injured, so other boy is helping him, make him sit on the ground, and the portion where the wound is, that portion is not in touch with the ground, that portion is not in touch with the ground. क्योंकि ग्राउंड में बहुत से डस्ट पार्टिकल्स हैं, ठीक है, जर्म्स हैं, तो दैट इज द रीजन डोंट टच योर वाउंड विद द ग्राउंड. सो दिस सिंपल थिंग्स यू कैन do it, or these simple things which you can follow. This is a first aid. Okay, student, I hope you all able to understand. Now let's discuss some keywords. Antiseptic, something that kill germs, that I already explained you. Germs are present all in our surroundings, so if anyone is injured, so at that area or on the wound you can apply antiseptic, because what is the role of it? Kill the germs. Second, zebra crossing, area on a road made with black and white line. This, see student, even I show you in the picture also, I tell you how you come to know this is a zebra crossing. I tell you, you will see on the road white and black, white and black lines. If such type of lines are on the road, it means this is a zebra crossing, for crossing the road, for crossing the road. Is it clear? And if you have to walk in the side of the road, then what I told you, who will give the answer? Yes, Samiksha. If you are not crossing the road and if you are moving on the side of the road, then what path you will follow? Samiksha? Yes, very good. All of you clap for her. That path is known as footpath. Is it clear? Now, next, wound, a cut on the skin. By chance, if you fell in the ground at the time of playing, or maybe you are playing in the ground or in the class, or if this type of condition can also be happen in your house also. Okay, so this type of condition can be happen in your house also, school also, on the road also, in the playground also. So this is known as a cut on the skin. Now let recall what we have studied in this chapter. First point is, we can be healthy and happy by eating light food during exercise, doing exercise and taking enough rest. See student, in the beginning of the chapter, when I start the chapter, at that time I explained you we have to eat healthy food. We have to eat healthy food because our body cannot make any nutrients. Our body cannot make nutrients. So student, from where we are getting these nutrients? We are getting these nutrients from the food which we are eating. Is it clear? So eat healthy food, or you can say the diet which you are taking, that diet should be balanced diet. What type of a diet? Balanced diet. Is it clear? So student, another thing which I tell you, do exercise, because regular exercise keep us fit and healthy. Playing outdoor game is a good exercise and make our body strong. And even student, you are doing dancing, cycling, doing yoga, swimming. So what are these? These are also very good exercise for our body. It also keep our body fit and active. It also keep our body fit and active. So student, please give time to yourself also. Do some exercises. If you are doing exercises for 10 to 15 minutes in the morning, and as you are the growing children, it is very good for your health. Okay, student? Thank you.